What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about driving for dollars, guys. If you guys don't know what it is, please sit tight and I'll be explaining that to you just in just a minute. Welcome back, guys. Again, my name is Lrod. This is Lrods.RealTalk, where we keeping it 100. So, driving for dollars, guys. That's one of my favorite. Man, I'm telling you. But anyways, driving for dollars, guys. This is something that we do in the real estate investing business. So those of you that are already in, you guys know what I'm talking about. Those of you that are not, and you're interested in joining the hottest niche or business to get into, guys, please hit me up or click the link below, you guys, so you can learn a little bit more about real estate investing. Okay, but one of the parts about real estate investing is driving for dollars, guys. Everyone that's in it has done it, including myself. And it's for me, it's one of the funnest time ever, I guess. Funnest, I don't know if that's a word. Is it? I don't know. I just like it, man. Right? The reason it's called driving for dollars, guys, is because you're out there driving around town, in your neck of the woods, or somewhere, and you're looking for those ugly abandoned homes. All right, when you see a lot of people, when they see ugly homes, abandoned homes, they look at them like a eyesore or somewhere where they don't even want to turn around and look, right? But those of us that are in the real estate investing business, every time we see an ugly home, you know what we see? We see cash. We see money. That's what we see, guys. And you'd be surprised how many of those homes are around your neighborhood. So the thing is, you find that ugly home, you're driving around, right? You're driving around in your car, you find an ugly home, you spot one. What you want to do is go out there and just take a couple pictures, or click, or whatever it is, and make sure you write down that address. Write down that address. So once you get a list of a couple of abandoned homes, all you got to do is go back and research and try to find the owners, guys. These owners are probably not wanting that home anymore. Thus the reason it's freaking abandoned and all boarded up and all that crap, tall grass and all that, mumbo jungle. You get a hold of those owners, and all you do is you offer them to buy their homes. Most of them are gonna say yes. I wanted to get rid of that home a long time ago, right? Or some people just they acquire it from their parents, from their grandparents, and they're already living in another house and they don't want this house, so that house just gets abandoned. And then when you come in and you tell them, look, I'm here to see if I can buy your home, most of the time he's gonna say yes. So thus you go and get them into contract, you buy their home, and then guess what? You go out there and sell it further down the line for a profit, guys. That's how you get paid, right? It's real easy, guys. All right, you look for abandoned homes, you get to find the owner, buy the home from that owner, and then sell it along the line for a profit. That's how real estate investing works. The real estate wholesaling. Okay, and like I said, one of the steps, or one of the things that I like to do, and that anyone that's in this niche or in this business, is some time or another they go out there driving for dollars, looking for these homes. So that's what it is, guys. Really simple. If you guys want to know more, make sure you guys hit the link below and watch our video testimonials. Watch our, all the information that we have for real estate investing, and or just hit me up, send me a DM, comment, and what I can do for you guys, and maybe sit down and explain what real estate investing is even further. Okay. With that said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's getting dark outside. I'm outside in my car, as you can see. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. And thank you again for everything. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, peace.